So before I start my day or before I start, with work, I usually good morning, guys. Welcome into another vlog, and this is going to be just a calm vlog and a simple mom life. Okay, so I want to take you through my day, just a calm vlog, and see how it goes or see how I go about my day. Yeah, so don't forget to like the video. Do not forget to leave a sweet comment down below. Do not forget to share out the videos also. And thank you for always sticking around. For my new subscribers, you're welcome here. For my, my return subscribers, you guys are amazing. You never left, like, because I've not been here for quite some time now. But thank you so much. So let's get straight into this video. So guys, I'll start off by cleaning my sitting area, and I'm going to do that with just a simple, here I have soapy water, or I've added a little bit of powder here, and then I'm going to use this to wipe the chairs, the couches, and then I'm going to sweep my sitting area, and then after that you're going to see what next. Okay. Come back to my desk. This is where I sit to do my work. As you all know that I offer catering services and events planning. So I just want to clean my desk with you, show a bit of my morning routine, and then we will continue as I tell you more about my day. Yeah, so we will start with cleaning the desk a little bit. I'm just going to wipe and make sure that the desk is nice and clean. So this is usually like my safe space that, when I want to spend some time alone, especially during the day when I'm just all alone at home, I come here, I sit here and try as much as I can to strategize, about life, about business, and so much more. You can tell me in the comment section. Please give me suggestions of how I can arrange this desk, because sometimes I'm finding myself confused. I don't know how to arrange the desks. Like, I have so many books here. Mostly some of these are my diaries that and I have this diary, guys, that I have not yet introduced to you, but this is created by Carol Carey. It's called the Home Hustle Journal. It's Dream It, Build It, Thrive from Home, and I'm going to tell you more about this when we get to this. Okay, so make sure you keep it here, especially if you are a stay-home mom, or you are there and you want to learn, or you want to to have a side hustle. Keep it here so that I tell you more about the diary and how you can get yours. To make sure that it's not so dusty, so that we can get straight into this so that I can tell you more about my diary and tell you more about my business. So, and as you watch the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also remember to comment down below, as we look forward to many more vlogs with Carol Carey. Also, before I start my day, or before I start with work, I usually make sure that I take my hibiscus, and then I have cinnamon, and I have some cloves. So I'm just going to make, it's like a hibiscus tea. So that is what I want to make. As I wait for it to cool down, I'll be showing you guys what I'm talking about. So I have some boiled water. Let me just bring you closer so that you see what I am talking about. So I'm going to take a teaspoon or a tablespoon of hibiscus, or even more. And then I have cloves with me. I'm going to put all of it, and I have cinnamon, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, and of course I'll add some honey. Although I'm not a fan of honey when it comes to hibiscus, I like to take it the way it is. So I'm just going to add a little bit of honey. That is just a teaspoon or even a quarter teaspoon of the honey, and then I add hot water. So I usually take my breakfast around 10 or 11, it depends, because when you make this drink, or when you take this drink, or even you take water with salt, warm water with salt in the morning, you usually feel full. So that helps with your metabolism, it helps with your energy, it helps with also when it comes to health, it helps your body with so many things. I'm not a doctor, but I know at least I know a little bit of these things. So yeah, that is why I love to take these things. Plus, I have my sister who is my motivator when it comes to these things. Yeah. I'm sorry guys, I had to check whether you guys can see me clearly, but yeah, so that's how yeah, my mom that's how my life is. After the babies go to school, then I'm left alone. Of course, I do chores, and then I come back here because, of course, because I want to build myself. And life does not end by just being a mother or a mom. So yeah, so honestly, it's not easy. It's not easy doing both. You're a mother. You do chores. Um, it's not easy. Sometimes you get so tired. Like yesterday, I was so tired because I did laundry, and my God, I was so tired. I was super beat. I have this gig that I have a place where I always, I had this gig that I had to go cook for my client, and I'm not even complaining. I love it because, of course, I get to earn something. At least I do not rely wholly uh, on my partner or my husband. So yeah, so I'm happy about my business. Carol likes events. I'm all about events. I'm all about catering, and I cook for large and small events. I do house calls. Like that one was just a house call. So I do house calls. And if you want, you can order chapatis from me. I also make chapatis. I'll leave my number down below that you can order chapatis from me, and we deliver countrywide. We also deliver outside of Kenya. And yeah, so building yourself is my God, it's not easy because you're building yourself from zero, from scratch, and you have no one. It's just you and God. But when God is there, that's why I like this verse. Before I start my day job, or before I get into this, I always read this Bible verse that I love so much, which is Proverbs chapter 3, 5 to 6, which says that you should not rely on your own understanding, and but in everything put God into it, or let God know everything you do so that he may establish your plans. And that gives me hope that even as I work, I do not have to rely on my own understanding, that I do not have to rely on my own strength, because it is by God's blessings that we get rich, and not by our hard work. So that gives me hope. Anyway, so of course I usually switch on the laptop, and then I wanted to tell you guys about this home hustle journal. That is how it looks like. It's just a small journal. It's a 1 month journal. I didn't want to start with like a big book for starters, because this is just to help someone who is there, or a mother, or maybe a father who wants to to start something from home. And maybe especially this one is for someone who you do not have money to start a business. Then this journal is for you. It is for you. And yeah, you can call me, you can place your order, and delivery at a small fee anywhere outside Kenya. Okay, anywhere in Kenya, around Kenya, sorry. So this the home hustle journal, sorry guys, it has been a while since I did videos. My God, I've been working on so many other things that I had almost forgotten about my YouTube. But yeah, I'm back. So this home hustle journal is a guided space to build, create, and grow from home. Yeah, you can grow from home. Imagine. Do you know that most billionaires, they started from zero, or they started from home, like I started from home, or like I am starting from home, and then you grow as you go. When you show up, even God will show up for you. Yes, that is what I believe, and that is what I know, because I've seen God doing wonders in my life, and also in other people's lives. Like, yeah. So welcome to my home hustle journal, or your home hustle journal. So it has this welcome page, and it tells you what this journal is all about. And the journal is for anyone with big dreams like you and me, limited resources, and the courage to start small, even if it is from home. So inside you'll find simple business ideas. Imagine, I just sat down and gave you guys business ideas that you can start at home with zero. Imagine how thoughtful. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up. And also prompts you, this journal, it also prompts you to keep it, sorry, it has prompts. to keep you motivated, sorry. And also reflection spaces to track your wins, like the spaces you will write down your wins, like what did you do throughout the week. Like you'll sit down and see, in the month of January I started this business, like home baking business, and this is what I did. I got a client, and yeah, that is your win for the month. And so you have those reflection spaces where you can write what are your goals for the next month or for the whole year or for 2026. You write them down, and then at the end of the month you'll come back and see how far you've come. And you'll have the monthly review. You have my biggest win this month, like in the month of December, or my biggest challenge, what you learned about yourself, because sometimes you don't know so much about ourselves. I also don't know so much about myself. I'm still learning about me every day. Sometimes I'm even confused about me, like what do I want in this life, what can I do to change my life from the way it is. So I learn every day, or rather you learn every day. So you write it down, and then what I'll focus on next month. Yes, like I told you, like you got a client, or maybe you didn't even get a client, but you baked, you got from your comfort zone and started this home hustle. You started baking, and maybe you gave out the pieces to your neighbors, and they told you that I'll get back to you when my birthday comes. So that is a win for you. So then you will write your focus. And then on the last page here, I've given you the resources and the links where you can get tools, the tools and templates, like Canva. You can get them from Canva, and so on and so forth. It has so much that you can I'm going to tell you more about it. I just wanted to show you guys about my morning. It's kind of my morning routine, or my my life, a mom life. Yeah, so it was just started slow. We started with cleaning, and then I came here just to show you what I usually do, like yeah. So I'll see you on to my next video as I wait for my hibiscus to cool down, and then I'm going to add some honey just to sweeten it a little bit. I'm not a fan of honey in hibiscus. Hibiscus is just as nice as it is without honey, but anyway, I'm just going to add a little bit of it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on to my next video. Make sure to like the video, make sure to share out the video, and also leave a sweet comment down below, and tell me in the comment section what would you like to see next on this channel. Do you like this kind of videos? Would you like me to do more of cooking videos? Would you like me to take you out on house tours, or go to the streets, because that's what I had been doing earlier. Go to the streets and show you like how the streets of Kenya look like. Please tell me in the comment section what kind of videos would you like. Did you like this video? Should I do more of these videos? Yeah, should I let you more into my life and show you like my daily life? Should I keep giving you business ideas? Tell me in the comment section what you'd like to hear from Carol Carey 9 from now henceforth. So keep it here. I'll see you on to my next one. Bye.